How to fix the file iTunes Library.itl cannot be read. 1. For iTunes for Windows users, follow these steps below. 1. Optional, uninstall existing iTunes app. Reboot your system when the uninstallation is done. Now, get the latest one installed. 2. Rename iTunes Library.itl in the iTunes folder. 3. Copy the latest library file from the previous iTunes Libraries folder and place that file in the iTunes folder. 4. Name that file to iTunes Library.itl. 5. Run your newly installed iTunes. Plan B, back. Up and delete the tunes library.itl file. 2. For Mac OS viewers. 1. Optional, uninstall current iTunes on your Mac. Restart your Mac. Get the newest build installed. 2. Go to /users/your username/music folder. 3. Rename the iTunes library.itl file in iTunes folder under music. 4. Copy the most recent iTunes library.itl file in previous iTunes libraries folder. Save that file in iTunes folder. Name the new file as iTunes library.itl. 5. Run the iTunes app on your Mac. If you don't have a previous iTunes libraries folder or files, you'd better perform a clean installation of iTunes on your computer. And you may also re-download the file from your sinks or some saved system restore point, Windows.